Are you trying to decide between Flutterflow and Figma? You're not alone. Many people wonder which tool is better for their design needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular platforms. Both are used for design, but they serve different purposes. Let's dive in. Flutterflow is a tool for building apps quickly. It allows you to create mobile applications without writing much code. It's great for developers and designers who want to speed up their workflow. You can visually design your app and see changes in real time. On the other hand, Figma is focused on UI UX design. It's a powerful design tool for creating user interfaces. Figma is known for its collaborative features. Teams can work together on designs, making it easy to share ideas and feedback. Now, let's look at the main differences. Flutterflow is more about app development, while Figma is all about designing interfaces. If you want to build an app, Flutterflow is your go to. But if you need to create stunning designs, Figma is the better choice. When it comes to features, Flutterflow offers a drag and drop interface for app building. It has integrations with various backends. Figma, however, provide design components, prototyping tools, and real-time collaboration. Pricing is also important. Flutterflow usually has a subscription model based on usage. Figma offers a free tier with limited features and paid plans for more advanced options. So, who should choose which tool? If you're looking to develop an app quickly, go with Flutterflow. But if your focus is on designing user interfaces, Figma is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.